In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude not working. By the end, you'll have walked through a quick, reliable checklist to get Claude responding again, whether the issue is with your browser, connection, account, or a temporary server problem. First, refresh the page. On the Claude tab, click the Refresh or Reload button once. Give it a moment to reconnect, then try sending a short prompt again to confirm if it's responding. Next, restart your browser or the Claude app. Close the browser or app completely, not just the tab, then reopen it and go back to Claude. Sign back in if prompted and try a simple message to test. Now, check your internet connection. Make sure you're online by opening another website in a new tab and confirming it loads quickly. If other sites are slow or offline, fix your connection first, and then return to Claude and try again. Turn off any VPN or proxy. If you're running a VPN app or a proxy in your network settings, switch it off temporarily. Some VPNs block requests or trigger extra security checks. With the VPN or proxy disabled, reload Claude and send a short test prompt. Clear your cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear browsing data. Choose Cache and Cookies, then confirm. This removes outdated data that can break sign-ins or cause loading errors. Note that this may sign you out of websites, which is normal. Once that's done, return to Claude, sign in again if needed, and test. Try another browser, such as Chrome or Edge. Open a fresh browser you don't usually use, navigate to Claude, and sign in. If Claude works here, the original browser likely had a local issue that you can revisit later. Disable extensions. In your main browser, open the extensions or add-ons page and toggle them off, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. With extensions disabled, refresh Claude and test. If it works now, turn extensions back on one by one later to find the one causing conflicts. Log out, then log in again. In Claude, open the Account menu, choose Log Out, and confirm. Wait a moment, then sign back in with your credentials. This resets your session and often clears token or permission issues. After logging in, try another prompt. Check your account status. Open your account or billing page and confirm your plan is active and in good standing. Look for any alerts about limits, verification, or payment issues. If you see a notice, address it, or then return to Claude and try again. Try a different device or network. Open Claude on another computer or your phone. If possible, switch to a different network like mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. If Claude works on the other device or network, the problem is local to your original setup or connection. Wait if it's a server issue. If none of the previous steps change the result. An error. Messages suggest a temporary outage. It's likely on the server side. Give it a little time, then refresh and try again later. Intermittent service usually recovers without any action on your part. At this point, Claude should be working again, either after a quick refresh, a clean browser session, a stable connection, or once a temporary outage has cleared. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.